Hello everybody. So today I am going away from my traditional crochet hairstyle that I've been wearing for a few years now, and I am going to try a lace front wig. I have purchased the Model Freedom Part lace, and the reason I picked this one is I can move that part around and not be restricted to just the middle or one of the sides of my head. So this is the actual lace front. So I went with I think it's a 1B and a burgundy. I like a little flash, but I thought since this is my first time doing this, maybe I'll do something a little bit more sallow, but still have a little color in it. So here we go. We're going to get ready to get started and trying to figure this thing out. Okay, so I just quickly wanted to point out that there are a few different colors in wig caps. This one is really too light for what would be my natural color of my skin. I did buy a dark brown one just to see if there would be a difference, and it is too dark. I am not a makeup put on foundation, concealer, all that stuff. I don't even know where to start with that. Never had to really use it. But I did get some concealer just that's a little bit more my skin tone, so that when I put the wig on, I can match this a little bit better. So just wanted to point that out. Okay, so the first thing that I had to do was cut the front lace off or down lower. So I cut it right to the hairline of the wig, just so that of course you won't see that lace front. And from there I use the Got to Be Glued spiking glue, styling spiking glue, and I just put a thin layer along my hairline. I can see if you use too much of this, it will flake up on you, so you just need a very thin layer of this. From there I blow dried that to get it tacky. After I blow dried it, I did that step again. From there I put the wig on. There was 2 combs in the front and 1 in the back, and I'm just gonna do a little bit of adjusting to get it where I want it. As you can see, it's cute. I did try to find the other parts. I couldn't find them. So anyways, I use my little comb to help me get everything organized and together. Like I said, I brushed it afterwards just so that I could get it nice and smooth. From there, I did the Got to Be Glued blasting freeze spray, just to make sure it had an extra hold, and it definitely holds the hair. So those were pretty much my steps in this process. All right, so I just have a few things that I want to say. Is one, I like it, I'm a big hair girl, so I'm gonna have to play with it a little bit. It is on my head though, that's for sure. That Got to Be Glued is got it where it needs to be. Another thing, even though this says Freedom Part, I have not been able to find them parts. So I am still looking for them, y'all. Because look, like, it keeps popping back over. I don't know where the part is exactly. So I'm going to keep playing with this and trying to figure out the different parts and how that goes. I don't know, but I think for the first time doing this, this is cute. I don't see the lace. My husband has even said, hey, that looks really cute. You should keep that. So that says a lot to me. So anyway, this is it. I'm going to put some pictures that I took at the end of this. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope this was helpful to you. It's my first time doing it, so please leave your comments below, subscribe, like. Also visit my other channel, Procrast Creation DIY, if you're into DIY things, which is why all this stuff is behind me. So anyways, thank you for watching, and I will see y'all next time.